Hi, in this video I will take apart the Bosch Serie 4 bagless vacuum cleaner. First, I will remove the dust container and the HEPA filter, and also the motor protection filter. I will unscrew the 4 screws on the plastic part under the dust container. Then the hose connector can be removed. You have to pay attention when removing the next screw because it is different from the other types. There will be another one at the filter and one at the suction head holder. After that, the cover can be removed in one movement. You don't have to bother with any wires or terminals. The control has the power button and the speed control. The air chamber is also held in place by a few screws. After that, this part can be removed by gradually moving 2 sides. It is worth paying attention to the spring cable rewinder. The cable-free connection is a huge plus. The air chamber can be separated by unscrewing the last screw. There is a recess on the cover that prevents the motor from rotating. Under this, you can see the rubber joint, and finally, the motor is covered. Here is a picture of the electronics. All the screws in the device are Torx type. Overall, the vacuum cleaner is not only easy to use and its structure is simple and user-friendly, but also easy to disassemble and thus service.